everybody, and welcome back to our Hijabista. Whenever I'm in the search for a good snack, I make sure that it's easy to make, super fast to prepare, and healthy as well. And bruschetta ticks all the right boxes. Bruschetta is an Italian starter that is made with French baguettes and fresh tomatoes, garlic, and basil. So let's get on with making our bruschetta. The ingredients that you need to make the bruschetta are French baguette slices, tomato chopped, garlic minced, parsley chopped, oregano, basil, thyme, salt, pepper, and olive oil. So here I have a mini French baguette and I'm going to slice these and place it on an oven dish. Here I have some extra virgin olive oil and I'm going to be drizzling this all over the baguette slices. Next, we are going to place this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 2 minutes. Here in a bowl, I am putting some chopped tomatoes. I'm adding green chopped olives. You could also add black. Here I have some freshly minced garlic. Make sure you add tons of it. Next, I'm adding some fresh coriander. You're actually supposed to use parsley, but I didn't have some. So I'm going to be using dried up parsley, oregano, basil, thyme, and some salt. And some freshly crushed black pepper powder. Now to this mixture, I'm adding some olive oil and mixing this nice and well. Here I have my toasted baguette slices and I'm going to be piling this up with our bruschetta mixture. Make sure you're generous with layering up on your tomato mixture. Once all of our baguette slices are covered, I'm again going to pop this in the oven for 180 degrees for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, your bruschettas are ready to eat. This super easy snack is low on calories, absolutely delicious, and really quick to make as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you next time. Till then, Assalamualaikum.